Good morning. Oh my god. Good morning. Today I'm going to be doing Get Ready With Me. I look like trash right now because all I have done is my eyebrows and this one's larger than this one. Doing great. So usually, I don't know man. Good morning. Let's just get started. Get right to the chase, alright? So now I'm gonna do foundation because I already did my eyebrows. Shout out to Gabby for this foundation. Thanks, girl. Y'all should go subscribe. She'll be linked down below. But anyways, I'm gonna use like one squirt of this first. I filmed like a lot of Get Ready With Me's and every single one of them ends up getting deleted because I am dead, and especially in the mornings, like I'm just dead. Hopefully this isn't too bad because I've been up for like an hour and a half now. I woke up at 4 in the morning for this and then just laid in bed till 5 because I needed time to wake up. My face gets really red. I love it so much. Like, I just love the white in me because it makes my face red and not a skin tone complexion. I just love that for me. This is already not looking great. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do like my actual face first and then I'll do the eyeliner. So I'm gonna see, I sound dead. Like, this is what I mean. I'm like just dead right now. I'm gonna conceal. Now I'm just gonna contour. I got this. I kind of regret it. It's not that great. Very overpriced. It's pretty good actually. It's really expensive. And I guarantee I could have found something pretty much as good as quality for cheaper. Okay, I look really greasy right now. See, my face gets red right here a lot. All the time. Oh, I forgot to say I'm just contouring my nose. See, I'm so bad at these videos in the morning. I apologize. Go watch my other videos if this is your first video of mine. I'm usually just a little more alive. Still a little dead though. So now I'm gonna get some translucent powder. I'm gonna put it under my eyes too. I'm gonna put some right here because it always creases like where I smile and talk and stuff. I don't usually bake. Okay, I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera real quick. Oh my god, this is not going well. Oh my god. Okay, my eyeliner is pretty crusty, not gonna lie. Uneven, but it's fine. Oh my god. That is so much glue. Oh yeah, so right now I'm just wiping off the bake. I'm going to do highlights. Fun fact, I've been sleeping for like 12 hours for the past 2 nights. Still tired though. Okay, so I was gonna do highlights. I didn't even grab what I needed. Setting spray. Now I'm ready. I'm going to spray setting spray first and then spray the brush. It's not even that great, honestly. And then I'm going to go in with like a gold and just do that on my nose as well. Okay, it keeps stopping recording, but it's fine. Now the last thing to do is lips. I'm just gonna do like this brown one. It's called Cold Brew by NYX. So this is the makeup completed. Now to get started with the hair. Okay, so for my hair, I'm just going, just watch. Okay, this is kind of hard to like show you guys at the same time. Oh, this is hard at this angle. So that's how this side looks. I hope you guys saw how I did that. And now I'm gonna do a little something to this side. And that's my hair. What do you guys think? I'm sorry I didn't talk much in this video. I was just really dead at the moment. Still kinda am. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed right now. So I'm back. It's been a while now. I've just been trying to take pictures and failing, so that's pretty cool. So let me do a little outfit thing. So first, I'm wearing these cute little clips. Shout out to Herrera. Then I'm wearing this crystal necklace. I got it from the Bluestone. And then I'm wearing this pendant necklace. I don't know what it is, but I got it from the thrift store. And I'm wearing this very see-through turtleneck white shirt, and then it has like the little fringe on the neck, the turtleneck, and the bottom. And then I am wearing these camo pants, and then these shoes. They're so cute. Look at them. I say the outfit is pretty like iconic. Yeah, I think it's really cute. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. This is basically it for this video. Sorry if it's short, and sorry if I'm like dead the whole time, because I still feel dead. Do you hear my voice? It's like so monotone. I hope you guys enjoyed. If not, go look at my other videos. They're more entertaining. I don't know. Hopefully this wasn't too bad, and hopefully I could actually use this on my channel. Don't wanna, come on. Okay, but yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, all the above. Have a great day or night. I don't know. Whatever time of day or night you're watching this, I hope you have a good one. Bye. Okay, why am I doing it so stupid?